Dear MPhil and PhD student, in this lecture I am going to explain about convenience sampling. Convenience sampling is a method where the selection of participants is based on their ready availability. I mean population that is easily available to you. This availability is usually in terms of geographical proximity. For example, students in research on college are in neighboring college, but may involve other type of accessibility such as non-contact. Convenience sampling has certain practical advantages. It does not require exhaustive list of the student population, which is needed for random sample and has a clear logistical and resource benefit in terms of travel, cost, and time expenditure. However, advantages are the price of certain biases such as sampling error and under coverages. Sampling error means that sample method provide a sample whose characteristic, for example, participant age, education level, or socio-economic status, which differ systematically from those of population of interest. Under coverage means that certain individuals in the population of interest are excluded from the sampling method. For example, the characteristic interest is in the staff in community college, liberal arts college, and universities, but a convenience sample only access staff in community or liberal arts colleges. If quantitative data are collected, a convenient sample lack of assured representative causes difficulty at the data analysis stage. As a sample is not representative in the way that a probability sample is usually a sample statistical, for example, a proportion to estimate a population parameter. For example, population proportion is unadvisable as such as estimate is likely to be biased. Furthermore, using statistical hypothesis test is questionable as those assume random sampling and financial statistics apply to convenience sample, therefore make an assumption that sample is comparable to a random sample from the same population. In qualitative research, however, this strict empirical representative is not normally an issue. What matters is that members of the sample are relevant to the aim of the study. This is more a notion of theoretical than of statistical generalization and does not require the same concern for empirical representative. Although convenience sample has methodological shortcomings, these can be mitigated by describing the demographic and other characteristics of sample in detail, and if possible, comparing these with those of the relevant population so that reader of the study can evaluate its representative, making effort to gain the participant of all attendant participant so that response bias or self-selection does not compound a lack of representativeness and ensuring that participants recruited are theoretically relevant to the study. So selection is based solely on convenience. It is a common practice in research, especially in Pakistan. Most of the students they select the convenience sample because they can access easily and because of the limited resources. Dear scholar, I hope that now you have understood the convenience sample. If you like this lecture, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and also write your views about the upcoming lecture, and I will try to improve and provide you the excellent research methods and sampling. Thank you.